Now, the National Cybersecurity Centre has a series of recommendations for protecting us against ransomware. And these protections are predicated around backups. Ransomware, as you know, infects a series of files and then at some later date tries to infect all of the files around it so that it denies you service so that you're forced to pay the ransom. So the recommendations are around taking regular backups, having long-term backups, having those backups disconnected from the network because ransomware is now seeking out your backup systems and wanting to infect your backups. And it talks about protecting your backup systems with privileged access workstations and privileged access management. So today we have an example of our privileged access management product working with Veeam Enterprise. Morning, Stuart. I understand you've got Veeam Enterprise running on our PAM product to show us.
Morning, yeah, I certainly have.
First, we're going to log into the PAM console. You can see my username's already populated there, and we've got another field for token code for our second factor authentication. There's two methods we're going to talk about today. One is RDP to an administrative workstation, and the other is Chrome for the Veeam console web UI. Let's start off with the remote desktop. You can see there that it's listed as a domain user with local admin, and that's PAM controlled, so I have no idea what the username and password is. It's completely abstracted from my username. So let's go ahead and click on there. So you can see now it's logging in using the PAM created username. We'll just drop into a command prompt and verify that. And now we've logged into our Veeam backup and replication console, and we can carry out our normal activities for backup and restore, with the benefit of PAM being able to record exactly what's going on in real time. So anyone does anything on this administrative workstation, you will have a recording of it and a complete audit trail. Let's shut that down and move on to the Chrome plugin. You can see there that we've got a backup account there that's been populated. I have no idea what the password is for that. And you'll see that PAM will just pre-populate everything and log me into that console. Let's click it. You can see it's logging me in here. It's fired up the Enterprise Manager and filled in all those fields without any interaction from me. And now we're logged into our Veeam console. Again, can carry out our normal activities with PAM recording everything that's going on. There you have it. Abstraction of user from administrative workstation.
So there you are, and there it was, just as suggested by the National Centre for Cybersecurity, an enterprise-class backup product being protected by Osirium's PAM. If you'd like to know more about this or any of our other products, then please get in touch.